Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Promise Skin and Health. Thank you, subscribers. Thank you for your like, your share. Thank you for everything. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make your whitening MOLATO soap. Okay, with a difference. MOLATO soap is the king of all soap. The soap that works perfectly on dark spot, get rid of pigmentation and clear your skin beautifully well. So continue watching this video to see how to make original whitening MOLATO soap. So I have my first soap here, Glutathione and E+, okay, whitening soap. And the second soap I have here is my K Brothers. So this is our papaya soap for dark spot as well. And I have nano white, extra white soap here, papaya and carrot soap. So these three soap is what I'm going to be using together. And I have my snow white powder here, which is skin white powder that will help give us the whitening effects that we are looking for. So I'm just going to be adding a pinch of this into the soap. And I have my Moroccan Essential 6-in-1 oil, which is whitening oil, get rid of wrinkle, dark spot, pigmentation, and also hydrate the skin and give lots of glow and moisture to the skin as well. And I have my cleanser here. Dermasil cleanser. You can use any cleanser, whitening cleanser of your choice, but this is the one I was able to get. So you can use any whitening cleanser of your choice. This cleanser contains carrots and glycerin and other ingredients. Lots of people use water, but I use cleanser to boost the effect of this soap, because if I'm using water, I'm not going to get the result that I want. Cleanser is expensive. That's why people just use water to mix the soap. But the best way to produce this soap is to use your cleanser. And I have my carrot oil here. If you watch my previous video, you see how I made this carrot oil. I will be adding all the oils. I will be adding 10 ml into this soap. And I have my recovering oil here. Recovering oil works for stretch mark. It works for dark spots, improve the skin tone, and rehydrate the skin perfectly well, and for scar as well. So it's necessary for me to add this into our soap production. And I'm going to be adding what was inside here before the bottle got broken, so I transferred the content into this container. Was kojic white serum. So I'm going to be leaving the picture of the kojic white serum here. So I will be adding this 10 ml as well. Okay, so I have my creator here to create my soap. So continue watching to see how I'm going to be doing it. So I will be creating all the soap, everything together. So that is how I'm going to be doing it. Create all the soap. So this is it. I will be creating all the soap together. Just continue watching this video. So our created soap is ready. As you can see, I've created all the soap together. So the next thing, I'm going to be transferring it into my mortar here. So I will pour the soap all into this mortar and add 10 ml of each of the oil into this mortar. So I'm going to be adding a pinch of the snow white powder into the soap, and I will be adding all the oil. Ten ml of each of the oil into the soap as well. And I will add my cleanser. On a normal this thing, you leave this in your mortar for 24 hours. 24 hours, the soap will become so soft. The soap will become so soft for the 24 hours. Okay, so after the 24 hours, you use your mortar to pound the soap, gently pound the soap, and it will mix together. So you just pound the soap. So if you don't have the patience for you to wait for 24 hours, it's going to take time for you to pound the soap, though it will pound, but it will take time, unlike 24 hours when it's soft. Okay, so if you have the patience to wait for 24 hours, fine, so that it will become soft and it will become less work or lesser work for you to pound it. But if you do not have the patience, you just want to get it done immediately, you don't want the continuous work for the next day, you're also going to continue pounding this the way I'm doing it until everything is mixed together. So when it's well mixed, I will show you how it is when it's soft and it's well mixed. So when it's well mixed, this is how it is. Okay, so even with this, you are not going to use this immediately. You leave it for 1 week for it to cure before you start using this. For 1 week, you just transfer into a container. So I'm going to be transferring this into this container that you are seeing here, and I'll just cover it and leave it for 1 week. Okay, so if you cannot make this, if you know that, oh, you don't have the time to make this, or you can order for extra whitening MOLATO soap. We have half caste MOLATO soap, we have extra whitening MOLATO soap as well. So if you know you don't have the chance to go through the stress of doing this or getting ingredient, because some of the oil I put here, they are so expensive. That is why a lot of people do not add all those oil into what they are producing, because it's quite expensive. So you just transfer it into your container this way, so you can place your order and get a MOLATO soap. It's super and very effective. You can see the ingredient that I add into this MOLATO soap, so you will definitely get an effective and amazing result. So that is how to do your MOLATO soap extra whitening or lightening MOLATO soap. So this is how the soap is. So this is the soap here. So that's what I have for you today. Remember, good skin begins with good health. Do take care of your skin, do take care of your health. Help me to subscribe. See you in my next video.